Okay, so we are here with our live trade. Our first live trade is here. So if you have just joined me, yes, we are here with our first live trade. And this is the trade. It's gold. We are buying gold. Okay? We are buying gold. So you can take a buy on gold. You can see my entry price. My entry price at this moment is 23.77. That is my entry price. 23.77. That is my entry price. And I have already done the analysis. You can see I drew a trend line, and then this is a support area that I was waiting for the trade to enter. And now that I have seen this pullback, this is on the 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame. Now that I have seen this pullback, it's a buy. Okay? It is a buy. So we are live now. You can take your trade if you want to take it. Like I said earlier, it is not compulsory that you should take it. But if you want, you can take it. It is not compulsory. Take note, it is not compulsory. All right? So that is the first trade I have for all of us today. So we pray that it respects our instructions and then gives us the profit that we want. Okay? So join us live. We are live on YouTube now. We are live on YouTube now. We are live on YouTube now. So you can join us and let's see what it is. So my entry price is 23.77. That is my entry price, 23.77. And then my TP is 23.82. That is 50 pips. That is 50 pips. And I'm sure you are all seeing it now. So you can send me your message. If you have any question to ask, you can ask me. We are live. Our first trade is on. As you can all see, we are buying gold. It's a buy. We are buying gold. My entry price is 23.77. That is my entry price. So if you have just joined, you can take it if you want. If you can take it if you want. At this moment, you can take it if you want. Because the entry price right now, it is at 23.76. So you can take it if you want. But if you decide not to take it too, no problem. That is at your own discretion. No one is going to force you to do it because it's not going to be a forced thing, all right? So just use your own discretion. If you feel like taking it, that is fine. If you don't feel like taking it too, you can let it be. Is that okay? So that is our first trade. Okay, that's our first trade. So my entry price is there. Like I have told you, my entry price is there, 23.77. You can take it. If you have just joined and you want to take it, you can take it. Okay? If you want to take it now, you can take it. All right? So you are at liberty to do so if you want to take it now. I feel like adding maybe one more trade to my. So my TP is 23.82. That is my TP. 23.82 is my TP. 23.82. That is my TP. So you can decide. And that is 50 pips. With that TP, that is 50 pips. With that TP, that is 50 pips. So take note of that. That is 23.82. That is 50 pips. And if you want to take it, you can take it because it's still around the entry price, which is available for everyone if you want to take it. All right, so that is our first trade. I have done the analysis already. You can see the trend line, which is in red. The red line here is the trend line. And then this blue area is the support. And when the trade came to the support, we saw a pullback, which closed in bullish. It closed in bullish. Maybe if you are using your phone, maybe I can zoom out like this for you to see. So you see it. When it entered this support zone, it closed back in bullish. So that is the decision. That is the reason I am taking a buy on this. I'm sure I have explained myself enough for you to know why I am going buy. All right? So that is a trade we are taking today. If you have just joined us, you can give us your message. Send us a message. If you have something to ask, you can ask, and then I will explain. Okay? The TP, my TP is 23.82. That is 50 pips. 23.52. Sorry, 82. 23.82. That is my TP. 23.82. The stop loss, if you want to put in a stop loss, let me give you a stop loss. Okay, let me type in I'll pin the TP to this this chart. I'm going to pin the TP to the chart. The TP is 23.82.00. So I have just sent you the TP. And then the stop loss is also going to be, let me check the stop loss and be sure. The stop loss is going to be 23.70. Let's go for 23.70 as our stop loss. 23.70. 23.70 as our stop loss. Okay? I have pinned that also to the chart area. And my entry is 23.77. I think I have explained that already. So that is that. That is my trade that I have just given today. You are at liberty to take it. You can choose not to take it. This is live trading. The stop loss is 23.70. 23.70. And the TP is 23.82. 23.82. Okay? So that is that. All right. It is a buy trade. The trade is a buy. Buy. The trade is a buy. That is what I have entered. It's a buy. If you have just joined, you can still take it. Okay? If you have just joined us, you can still take it. Currently, the trade is against me about $26 now. As you can all see, it is against me about $26. Okay? So that is that. So you can take it if you want to. It is not compulsory. If you want to take it, you can take it. It is not compulsory. At the comment section, if you have any message, you can ask. If you have something you want to ask us, please, you can ask. Okay? You are free to do so. If you want to ask anything, you are free to do so. All right. It's exactly on the trend line again. The trade is exactly on the trend line again. So, like I said, if you have a trade and you want to take it, that is fine. But if you can't take it too, that is fine. So the TP again is 23.82. And then my stop loss is 23.70. My entry is 23.77. That is my entry. So the trade is live. If you want to take it, you can take it at your own discretion. There is no problem at all. All right? So that is it. That is it. And here we are. That is my first trade for today. So the trade is running. We will all monitor. We will be here to monitor and see how it will go. So that is that. Yes. I'm seeing a lot of messages. The trade is a buy. Yes, I have entered a buy. So that is the trade I took. It's a buy trade. It's a buy for gold, which I have taken. So if you also want to take it, that's fine. But it's not compulsory. All right? It is not compulsory. It's a buy trade. My TP is 23.82 and my stop loss is 23.70. My entry is 23.77. If you have just joined, then you have a better chance to enter now if you want to. That is, if you have just joined, you have a better chance to take it. So I'm reading some messages. Okay, let me read some messages. And then let's see the messages that you guys are pouring in. Maliza is saying that I am taking it, sir. Okay, that's fine. Goldman is saying I have taken it. Okay, that is fine. Please, the TP again, I think I have mentioned it. And then what is the stop loss? I think I have mentioned it. Yes, Emmanuel is asking the same thing, and I have answered. Emmanuel, I have answered that the TP is 23.82. But like I gave you the instructions, do not wait for my TP. Okay, do not wait for my TP. You can close it at your own profit. When you gain some profit and you feel it is okay, close it. Don't wait to get exactly what I am waiting to get. Is that okay? So take note of that also. Okay, Just Earn Money is saying, is it a buy? Yes, it is a buy. The trade is a buy, which I have said or giving you instruction on. It is a buy. Yes. The entry price, like I said, my entry price is 23.77. So in case you just joined and you want to take it, you are more advantageous than me. Okay? You are more advantageous than me in case you want to take it. Is that okay? Sifi So says, I just took it and it is promising so far. Oh, okay. It's promising, right? Okay, that's fine. Alice is asking whether it is a buy. Yes, Alice, it is a buy trade that I have taken. I have taken a buy on it. Okay. It is a buy trade that I have taken. Is that okay? I have given enough information about this. If you have just joined, this is Leading Forex live trading on YouTube. I share with you my trade setups. Whatever I take, I share with you, and that is what you are seeing right now. The trades I have taken is what I'm sharing with you now on my live account. Okay? On my live account. So that is what I'm sharing with you now. So you can take it if you want, but it is not compulsory. Is that okay? It is not compulsory at all. I am only sharing what I have taken with you. So it is not compulsory at all, at all, at all. Thanks very much. I took a buy. Thank you, Coach. Alice is saying she has also taken a buy on it. Fine. That is fine. Like I said, do not wait for my TP if you have taken it. When you get what you feel is okay, you should exit and go home with your profit. Do not wait for my TP. But my TP is 23.82. 23.82. That is my TP, 23.82. And my stop loss is 23.70. 23.70. 23.70. That is my stop loss. My entry price, which I took these trades, is 23.77. That is my entry price for the trade I have taken. So it is still at a better point or an advantageous area if you have just joined and still want to take this trade. It is an advantage to you, but it is not compulsory. Okay? It is not a compulsory trade. You can take it, you can choose not to take it. That is all good. So use your own discretion. All right? This is live trading that I'm sharing with you. The trade I have personally taken, I'm sharing it with you for you to see what it is like. Is that okay? So that is that. That is that. Is that okay? That is that. All right. So tell me, if you are watching, let me know where you are watching from. I would like to know which country you are watching from. Okay? I will be glad to know the country you are watching from. It will really be nice to know the country you are watching from, honestly. So tell me where you are watching from. I would like to know your country, where you are watching from. That will really be interesting. I know, based on the names I'm seeing here, I'm seeing Emmanuel Darlington. Darlington, if you just joined, I am sharing with you the trade I have taken, and it is on gold. Okay, Darlington says Nigeria. Okay, I have my Nigerian brothers here. Go for Django says Pakistan. Okay, I have my Pakistanians here. Okay, let me also know where you are watching from. It will really be nice to know where you are watching from. Emily Nduku says Kenya. She is watching from Kenya. Okay, my Kenyan friends. That's nice. Jessica says, can you please teach me how to use the tools on the trading view? I think I have done a video on how to customize your trading view. If you check the YouTube channel, you see that video, how to customize the trading view and use it for analysis. I have done that. So Jessica, I would suggest that you go to the YouTube channel and look for that video. Hugo says Cape Town. Cape Town is South Africa. Yeah, I have my South Africans here. Sifiso Ndlovu says South Africa. We always struggle against Ghana in football. Oh, that's true. But I think Ghanaians, we are very good in football, isn't it? Okay, Inji is saying UAE. That is United Arab Emirates. Okay, thank you. Faustina says, please, do you have a specific time you come live? No, I don't. It depends on when I get a trade. It depends on when I get a trade. Joke Shaw says South Sudan. Yeah, my South Sudanese are here. Okay, my South Sudanese are. This is the trade. You can still see. We are still here, hoping to make some profit. South Sudan, I appreciate you guys. Faustina Odoy says, I'm from Ghana. Fausti, thanks. Goldman FX says, Ghana, Tamale. Okay, my Tamale people are here in the building. That's nice. Aku says, Gambia. My Gambian friends are here. Hugo says, South Africa. Nice meeting you guys. Pakistan, Go for Django is saying from Pakistan. Oh, I love you guys. Thank you guys for coming to trade with me. I am only sharing my trade setup with you. I have this one, there's no name, but it says UK. My UK brothers and sisters, I salute you all. I'll be glad to know which country you are watching me from. I'll really appreciate. So, Nigeria, my Nigerian brothers and sisters are here. A genius Kunya, it says Nigeria, Kano State, okay. Nigeria, Kano State. Onyedikachi says Nigeria. Onyedikachi, Nigeria. Thanks for watching. I am from Malaysia. Maria Pan says Malaysia. Thank you, my Malaysian brothers and sisters. Thank you for coming. I am only sharing my trade with you, my live trade that I have taken on my live account. And it is on gold, a buy. I have taken a buy trade on gold. And this is it here. As you can see, my entry price is 23.77. And my TP is 23.82. 23.82 is my TP. So in case you just joined and you want to take this trade, it is at your own risk. If you want to take it, you can still take it. It's still valid for anyone who wants to take it. So if you want to take it, that is fine. It's still available if you want to take it. But it's not compulsory. I am only sharing my trade with you. So you can choose not to take it. That is at your own discretion. Is that okay? So I have already demonstrated how I came by this trade. The blue area you see is a support level or a support zone. And there is a trend line on gold, which I have drawn a red line, which is a trend line. So I see that the trade has come back to that trend line and currently around the support zone. And that is why I have taken a buy on it. That is why I have taken a buy on it. Maria Pan says, I'm from Malaysia. Odia Kabisi says, okay, I have taken it. What time frame is this? Okay, this is on the 5-minute time frame. Okay. So this trade is currently on the 5-minute time frame. Okay. This is a 5-minute time frame trade. Okay. Brandon is saying Cameroon. Okay, you are in Cameroon. Thank you. My Cameroonian friends are here. Younger Money says, bro, I'm watching you live from UAE. Okay, UAE. Thank you guys for coming, UAE. I appreciate. So we are still monitoring the trade together for us to see how it will turn out. Is that okay? So it is a live trade I have taken on my personal life account. So we see how it goes. We see how it turns out. I am not promising that this trade is a win, but I have done my analysis and I have taken it. So whether it goes into a win or a loss, it is my life account and it is my own money. Okay? So that is how proud I am. If I lose it, it is my money. If I win it, it is my money. So that is how it is. So those of you watching me, in case you just joined, this is live trading on Leading Forex YouTube channel. And this is a trade setup that I have taken. And I'm sharing the trade setup with you. So if you want to take it, that is fine. But if you also don't want to take it, there is no any pressure here. I am only sharing my trade setup with you. So feel free and decide what you want to do. Is that okay? Okay. Thank you, sir. It is going well. Okay, that is Hurricanes. Hurricanes is the one saying that. Thank you, sir. It is going well. Okay. For me, I am still in a loss of $15 or $16. But some of you took the trade at the downside, and some of you have started getting profit on your trade. John K says from Nigeria. John K says from Nigeria. Okay. Thank you, guys. We will monitor this trade and see what it will become like. We still have some more time to go, so we will monitor it together. Okay. From Swaziland. Melissa from Swaziland. I appreciate. Hurricane is from Uganda. Hurricane Uganda. I salute my Ugandans. Yes. So if you haven't told me where you are watching from, I would love to hear from you where you are watching from. And if you have any other thing you want to ask me, please, you can share it there. Just write. John K says, please say, I would like to know which broker is the best to use. Okay, if you want me to give you my recommended broker, the broker that I use, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. If you send me a message on WhatsApp, I will share that, that broker with you. And my WhatsApp number, let me type my WhatsApp number here in the chat for you. My WhatsApp number is +233 where is it? +233 246 136609. +233 246 136609. I have just sent you my WhatsApp number in the group, in the chat. So if you look at the chat, Leading Forex, you will see the messages coming from Leading Forex. Those are my messages. So you can see the number there. When you send me a message on WhatsApp, I will share the broker link with you so that you can register through my referral link. Is that okay? Yes. So you can do that. Brighton is here and says, Brighton says, I'm from Uganda. Okay, Uganda. Thank you. Oduakabasi says Nigeria. In fact, if I'm not pronouncing your names well, please forgive me. Yes, because my accent is not that good as yours in your country. So your names might be a bit difficult to pronounce. So do forgive me if I'm not pronouncing them well. Is that okay? All right. So Jessica Abe, watching from Ghana. Jessica, as for the name Abe, I know you should be from Ghana. No doubt. As for the name Abe, it's a Ghanaian name. So I am also from Ghana here. So once I see a Ghanaian name, it's easy to know. Yes. So Jessica Abe, yeah, thank you for watching. Tell your colleagues who want to trade Forex that they should subscribe to Leading Forex YouTube channel. And also hit the notification bell or allow the notification bell so that anytime there is a new signal, they will be able to see it. Or anytime I post a new trade, they will be able to see it. Emmanuel Godson is asking whether the trade is a buy or sell. Like I have said, it is a buy trade I have taken. The trade I have taken is a buy. Yes, that is the trade I have taken. So, Emmanuel Godson, I think I have answered, right? Yeah, it is a buy trade that I have taken. And that is what I'm sharing with you here. That is what you see on the chart at this moment. It's a buy trade. that I have taken. And I've already done the analysis. The reason why I am taking a buy on this 5-minute time frame, you can see the blue zone. The blue zone there is my support zone. That is my support zone. And then you can see the trend line. The trend line indicates that the trade has come into that support zone. And because of that, I expect to see a buy. That is my analysis. I expect to see a buy. That is the analysis I have done. So that is how come I am going buy on this trade. So we will monitor together and see how it goes. All right? We'll monitor together and see how it goes. All right? So that is that. Welcome. In case you just joined us, this is live trading on Leading Forex YouTube channel. This is a gold trade. A gold trade is a buy trade I have taken on my live account, my personal live account. And then I am sharing that with you. I want you to see what I have taken. If you feel like taking it, fine. You can take it. If you also don't feel like taking it, please, you can allow it to go. My TP is 2382. That is my TP, 2382. And my stop loss is 2370. My entry price is 2377. That is the price at which I took the trade. Hi, Kofi. I am buying again. Okay. Cello is saying he's buying again. Okay. That is fine. If you take it, you take it. Like I said, this is on my live account. So I feel proud that I am taking a trade live and I'm sharing it with you. It is not everyone that can do that, or it is not everyone that would like to do that. But on Leading Forex, I want you to know what I do. Maybe you only see me recording videos and sharing them with you. You don't see the trades I take, whether I win them or I lose. You don't know. So because of that, I have now decided we should do this live trading so that you'll be able to see how I go through stress to win trades or to lose trades, so that you know how the trading world is, so that you know that it's not you alone. We all go through a lot of stress in order to come by trades or to be able to get trades. Do you get it? So that is it. So that is my motivation. That is my reason for sharing this with you live on YouTube. So if you have just joined me, that is fine. I welcome all of you. I have almost 200 people watching. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time with me. And it's not easy to leave your time or work or whatsoever you are doing and be here with me watching what I am doing. It is not easy to waste your time with me like that. So I appreciate the time that you are wasting with me. I appreciate it. I am really, really grateful. I am really, really grateful. Is that okay? Yes, I'm really grateful. So let's see. The trade is almost getting back to entry. My entry is 2377. That is why I'm seeing almost back to entry. Maybe some of you took it a bit better than me. So that is it. So let's see if we can make something. Sandia, you are back, right? Sandia, nice meeting you. Sandia is asking whether I am going to trade the CPI news tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is CPI. But unfortunately, tomorrow in Ghana here, in my part of Ghana, I am in the OT region. That is where I am. Tomorrow we'll experience light out. Tomorrow, the whole day, the electricity company, the company that gives us light, says that they want to do maintenance. So they will take light away from us. So tomorrow, I may not have light to be able to come live to trade with you, unless the light comes on time. If the light is able to come on time, then of course, you may hear from me. But if the light doesn't come, that is unfortunate. Maybe very soon, I may get a standby generator or a plant. If I'm able to get that plant, then when there is no light, I can still power the plant and come live like this. But for now, I don't have a plant. I don't have a generator, so I won't be able to come live with you tomorrow. That is the only unfortunate situation. Sorry about that. Tomorrow, they'll be giving us light out. They promised us the light will come around 5 p.m. my time, which is about 2 hours ahead. Looking at the time now, it's about 2 hours ahead. And by then, I'm sure the news would have come and would have done its work. So that is the unfortunate, all right? That is the unfortunate. So the CPI is a major news, yes. The CPI is a major news. And it's a news that a lot of people make money from. Aside NFP, there is also CPI. There is also, which one? Interest rates. Today like this, there was an interest rate. Okay, the trade is back to entry, my entry. And I know some of you are in profit by now. I know some of you are in profit by now. But I am now getting to entry. So that is trading. Yes. That is how trading is. Is that okay? Anyway, so tomorrow CPI, I may not be able to trade CPI with you. It's going to be an unfortunate situation for us. But let's see, after tomorrow, there's Friday. So maybe Friday, when we come, we will be able to get some nice trades together on Friday. But for tomorrow, there wouldn't be live stream unless they bring back the light on time. Unless they bring back the light on time. So let's make the money first. When we make money, maybe somebody will easily donate a gen set for me or a plant. Someone will just buy a plant and say, hey, Kofi, come and pick it. That is very possible, right? Yeah, that's very possible. Someone can just donate a generator and say, Kofi, where are you? Come and pick a generator so that we'll be doing this together all the time. Isn't that going to be beautiful? That will be. But first, you need to make the money. Yes. That is why we want to be doing this together from time to time, so that when you make the money, you can be able to buy me a gen set. Okay, so I'm back into entry. I am in entry. I know those of you watching, you are in profit. I know you are in profit. Yes. Like I said, the instructions I have been given. Make sure that when you get what you need for the day, you close. Don't wait for me. That is instruction number 1. Instruction number 2 says that make sure that you go with the least risk, or you go with a small risk. Don't pile up your risk, okay? That is instruction number 2. And then instruction number 3 is that always check my entry to be sure that my entry is not far from where you have joined, okay? And then also the next rule is that you are responsible for whatever becomes the outcome, whether a loss or a win, because I am not forcing you to take the trade. I am only sharing the trade I have taken with you. I am not saying by force you should take it. Trust me, I am not saying by force you should take it. Najib, will you want to buy me that generator or that gen set? Najib, okay, I think you are laughing after I said I need a generator or a gen set. So tomorrow there will be light out here, so there wouldn't be light. So tomorrow we cannot do live trading, and even CPI, we may not be able to do it. Is that okay? Yes. Skyper Fresh says, I'm watching you from South Africa. Now I am also in profit of $4. I'm also in profit of $4. And I'm sure those of you who took the trades a bit earlier, you are in good profit by now. Okay, enjoy your profits from now onwards. And I've told you, when you get what you want, make sure you will close. You don't wait for me. Okay? When you get what you want, you close. Okay. Najib is saying, we all pray to be making profits. Pray we don't lose. Okay. In forex trading, I want to say that prayer doesn't work. That is the truth. I have realized that in forex trading, the prayer you pray doesn't work, because the market makers or the big banks are there doing their own thing, and they don't hear your prayer. And their prayer is that you should lose. So whilst you are praying to make profit, they are also praying that you should lose. And then they can take your money away. So I don't believe prayer in Forex. But it's good to pray for your own self so that you can be healthy, so that you can be strong, so that at least God will bless you, right? Benedict, Dominic, can we enter? Benedict, you are too late. You are too late because we are in profit. I'm in profit $9. We are too late. And I know some of you are in good profit by now. Okay, so Emmanuel Godson says, I love you, sir, and I love you too. I need to tell you the truth as it is. Me, I will tell you what, I am a Christian. I pray a lot. But when it comes to Forex, I don't pray when I'm trading Forex because Forex doesn't hear prayers. Forex trading, it doesn't hear prayers. No amount of tongues can change the direction. If it will go against you, it will go against you. Is that okay? All right, so here we are in good profit now, and we can all testify that we are making some good profit. So this is the stress I go through every day to take trades, and I would love to be doing more of this, but I also want to get more people watching me. So if I do this and I'm not getting more people watching me, it will discourage me from doing it, because I want us to do it together to make profit. But if I will be here and a lot of people are not joining to watch, it will really be some kind of stress I'm going through. So share this with other people. You have, maybe some of you have other channels that you are in, Forex trading groups and stuff. Let them know about us. Let them know of Leading Forex, because we do live trading. So let them know. Okay? And Najib says, what time frame are you using for the trade? It's 5 minutes. Gold trading, I am doing it on 5 minutes on gold. What time frame are you using for the trade? I see it as a retracement to a downside. Oh, okay. Okay. Najib, you are also right. In Forex trading, no one is wrong. So we are all right. Okay? We are all right. Okay. So we are in profit. I am in profit $14 now. When you get what you want, you close. Don't wait for me. I have told you my TP is 23.82. 23.82 is my TP. And now, I think the market makers are going my way. They are giving me good profits. So let's see. I'm in profit $20 now. Yeah. Adash Manu, what is your TP? 20. Adash Manu, are you saying you have made that amount of money, or you are just writing something? I see 27.68 from you. I don't know what you want to mean. I don't know what you want to mean, but tell me what you mean by the 27.68. But I'm saying that my TP is 23.82. 23.82. That is my TP of 50 pips. That's my TP of 50 pips. Now the trade has gone into profit 20 pips and above. That is on my account. But some of you who took the trade very early, you should be in profit more than 20 pips, 30 pips now. Yes. Okay. Adash Manu is saying that his TP is 23.64 and then, what am I saying or seeing? Then 23.90. I don't understand, but okay. So we are in profit. I am in profit $24 at this moment. Guys, what else can we do? I'm sure you have seen some good profits now. This is my face. It's been a long time. I need to have a nice shave, right? Let's release some stress. Okay, we are trading. Let's release some stress. At least. Now, let me do this. Good. It's good for me to do this. Let's set up a risk-free trade. Let's set up risk-free. To set up risk-free, then what we have to do is to move our stop loss into profit. So I'm moving my stop loss into profit. So I have put my stop loss now at 23.78. 23.78. I have moved my stop loss into profit. Okay? So that is how you can set a risk-free trade. That is how you can set a risk-free trade. Now, if the trade should come back against me, it will close me with some small profit. So I have set my 2 trades at risk-free now. So whatever happens, I don't care. So you see this red line right above the 2 green lines, I mean the dotted lines. The red line above the 2 dotted lines here is my stop loss now. So my stop loss is now in profit. So if the trade decides to come back against me, it will come back against me with no loss. It will come back against me with no loss. I think I have explained what risk-free trading means. So now my trade has been set to a risk-free. I have set my trade to a risk-free now. So I'm good to go. I'm good to go. A few of you have also sent me messages on WhatsApp, okay? It says, "Sir, you are wonderful. I followed all your teachings on YouTube. I have downloaded all your videos. Honestly, you are my mentor. God bless you." That's a message someone sent to me on WhatsApp. Okay, that is fine. Let's see what we can do together. I am not going to be saying anything too much, but we'll keep it very simple. Now, I have set my trade at risk-free now, so whatever will happen, I do not care. If it comes back against me, I don't care, because it's still going to close me out of the market with no loss. So that is perfect, right? That is so nice, isn't it? So you can also do same. Okay, now we have just some few pips to give us TP. Now the trade is at 23.80. And we have 20 pips more to hit TP of 50 pips. 20 pips more to hit a TP of 50 pips. So it's now 23.80. 23.80 now. Okay, almost 23.81 now. Almost. I think we are all good, and we are seeing what is happening. That is the power of gold. Gold can give you profit right now. It can give you big loss right now. Now, on this account, I am in profit $31, as you can all see. $31 here. Yes, the trade is a risk-free trade, so whatever gold wants to do, it can begin to do. I do not care. Over my dead body. I'm done with gold. If it wants to come back against me, it can. That is no problem at all. It's our liberty to do so. There's no problem at all. If it want to come against me, gold, you can do so if you want, because I have set. Yes, I have set my my trade at risk free now. So whatever gold wants to do, gold, go ahead and do it. Me not care. Is that okay? All right. Those of you still watching, I appreciate your time with me. This is Leading Forex. We are trading live. More messages are coming. Let me read them. Okay. Mr. Kofi, I have been studying Forex for 2 months, but still I find it difficult to analyze the chart. How can you be of help? You need mentorship. You need to get in touch with someone that can teach you. Kelvin is saying, watching from Kenya. I wanted to ask, for example, I am trading on a demo account. Can I use the signals you send on Telegram to enter a trade? Yeah, why not? You can use it. You can use it, my brother. You can use it to enter a trade. Najib, congrats on your trophies by your way. Oh, the trophies here, right? Those trophies are for journalism, right? The work I do as a journalist. Those are the trophies for what I do as a journalist. Those are the awards I have won. So that is why I keep them there. So it's a motivation. I've won awards, 2 of them. There are 3, but I think it's only 2 over here. Yes. Anas Osman says, that's good analysis of gold. Okay, thank you, Anas. Goldman FS says, sir, you are superior mentor. I love you. Okay, I love you too, Goldman. John says, bro, I'm from Kenya, and you haven't been mentoring. You You haven't been mentoring me since I started FX. Okay, you have been mentoring me. Oh, okay. You have been mentoring me since I started Forex. May the God of Abraham bless you, sir. Thank you. Jessica Abbey, please, sir, can I trade gold with a $50 account and with what leverage? I think I said it. I don't think you watched my instruction video. This afternoon, I did an instruction video about what you should do to be able to trade along with me. Jessica, I am not sure you watch it. Yes, the minimum trade account you should use in trading with me is $50. Yes, that is the minimum I suggested. So yes, you can trade with me with $50. And the leverage, you may have to use the highest leverage your broker will give you. You may have to use the highest leverage your broker has on its platform. Jessica Abbey, in case you have a challenge, I have given my WhatsApp number. You can call me or you can chat me, and then we see how to do that. If you want a broker, I can give you my broker to register with. Is that okay? I can give you my broker to register with. Benedict Dominic, please, can you notify us on the VIP before the live stream? Oh, okay. That is very true. I think it's escaped me. Sorry about that. I think I'll have to do that next time. Yes, I'll do that next time on the VIP group. Yes, I also have a VIP group where I share signals. Apart from the live trading like this, I also have a VIP group that I share signals. And the VIP group, it is $100 to join the VIP group. It is what? $100 to join the VIP group. So take note, if you want to be in that VIP group for signals, you may have to pay $100 to be in that group. So yes, I'll try and be updating those of you in the VIP group. So sorry, I forgot today. So sorry about that one. Najib is saying, congrats on that too. How is the family? Najib, you want us to do family here? It's time for Forex. We will talk about family. David say, what software are you using, please? You are talking about the trading platform. It's MT4. I'm using the MT4 now. And then Alex is asking for my Telegram link. For the free Telegram link, okay, let me see if I can get it for you. Please, we on the VIP group missed this session. Oh, so sorry. Money Clinic, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, I forgot to update. Honestly, I forgot to update. I'll try and do the update again. Sorry, next time I'll do it. I am so sorry. I don't know what happened. I forgot. Those of you in the VIP group, please forgive me. I forgot. Please forgive me. I'll be there next time. Very quickly, I'll be there next time. So sorry. Now, I'm sharing the free Telegram channel link with you. Those who are looking for my free Telegram link, here it is. You can join. I pray that YouTube wouldn't say they won't allow. Okay, I've sent you the signal group. Those of you who want to join my free Telegram channel, please join. I have sent you the link at the chat area. So at the chat area, you see my free Telegram link. So Langnat is saying, boss, thank you. Thank you too for joining me. Thank you for joining me to trade with me. I appreciate your time with me, okay? Now, I have set my trade at risk-free. So whatever happens, I am just going to be waiting and see whatever will want to happen. So the trade is at risk-free now. So if it comes back, it is coming to knock me out at my stop loss, which is already in profit. Yes. So that is that. Sorry about that. That is that. But we are still going to wait to see if we can be able to make the TP that we are looking for. But I'm sure some of you have made good profit now. Those of you who have closed, how much have you made? Let me know. Those of you who have closed your trades, how much have you made so far? Tell me. I'll be glad to know. Okay? I'll be glad to know how much you have made so far. Okay? I'll be glad to know how much you've made so far. I'll really be glad to know how much you've made. Okay? I'll be glad to know. If you have closed your trade, tell me how much have you made. Is that okay? It will really be refreshing to know how much you have made. Yes. So if you have closed your trade, tell me how much have you made in profit. Okay, I'll be glad to know. Money Clinic is asking, can we still take the, advantage of this trade? No, because it has gone past my entry level and we are in huge profit. So I think it is not needed. Okay, it's not needed. I have other accounts that I trade, but those accounts, I have closed some of the trades on my other accounts. So as I speak with you, I have other trades that running on other accounts of mine, which I have closed. Okay. All right. So we are on. We are still on. We are looking at what is going to happen. We are looking at what will still happen. So we are just monitoring to see what will happen. So I'm here with you. Let's see what happens. Okay? Bro, Pack, send you me copyright or that will be uploaded. I better have a video, no? All right. Let's continue. Let's continue. Okay, let's continue. So, okay, so do you have something you want to say? Tell me if you have something. I want to read some few more comments. We are still in the trade. We are still in the trade. The Banner family has closed his trade with $20 profit. That is good. Like I told you, you don't wait for me. When you make what you want, you close. Yes. So I'm glad you have closed your trade with $20. That's best. You should all have a plan of how much you are looking for. And when you get it, you don't wait. You are supposed to exit. Is that okay? When you get what you are looking for, you exit. That is how trading should be. It is not going to be something compulsory that you are waiting for me when I hit TP before you also say you have hit. No, it shouldn't be so. Always make sure that you know what you are looking for or you know what you want. When you get it, you are out. And that is it. That is how trading must be. When you get what you want, you should move out. That is how trading must be. So, if you have joined me and you have made some profit, tell me how much have you gotten today? Tell me how much you have made today. And then, those of you sending me messages on, what do you call it, on WhatsApp, I may answer to those messages later. At this moment, I'm doing live streaming, so I may not be able to get the attention to reply. But later, I'll do that, okay? But for now, we are concentrating on the live trading that is going on, okay? So that is what it is now. So at the right time, I'll answer your messages. But for now, we are concentrating on the live trading. Is that okay? Thank you for understanding me. All right? Okay, good. Try and give us the profit. Why? Why are you slowing down now? Looks like you have slowed down. Why? I don't know why gold has slowed down. I don't know why gold has slowed down. I don't know why gold has slowed down. But that's fine. We are still waiting to see if it will get to our TP. All right? We are still waiting to see if it will get to our TP. In case you just joined us, this is a live trade I have taken on my live account. It's a live trade I have taken on my live account. And I'm sharing with all of you here who are watching me now. So let's see if we can be able to get a TP. If we don't get, that's fine. We can come back another time. Yes. If we get to, that's fine. Aminu Abdullah, you just joined the stream now. Oh, so sorry. We took a trade together. It's unfortunate you didn't see the trade on time. But don't worry, we will surely meet again on Friday. Tomorrow, there will be light out so in my area, so we wouldn't be able to meet. Skyper Fresh, I think break-even will do. It is as my broker has inappropriate spread for gold. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you can do break-even like I have done. I have put my stop loss into profit. And I have told you all here. You can see my take profit is now in profit. So even if the trade should come back against me, it's going to close me out with no loss. It's going to close me out with no loss. So those of you in profit, maybe you can move your stop loss into profit or move your stop loss into entry. Okay. Which broker are you using? If you want to know my broker, chat me. I have put my number in the chat area. So look through the chat, you will see my number. Chat me, I will share my broker link with you and help you to create an account. Is that okay? Now the trade is coming back at us. Let's see if it will take us out with the break-even stop loss, or maybe it will go up. We are here to learn as well, so let's see what will happen. Okay. Robinson, he says you have joined late. So sorry you joined late. So sorry. We can still look at it in future. So sorry. Another trade will surely come, so don't worry for now. Another trade will surely come. Is that okay? So for now, don't worry. If what you have now is a late trade, no problem. You can still get another trade on Friday. Friday, we will be back here to see if we can get some trade on Friday. But tomorrow, there will be light out at my area here. There wouldn't be light, so I wouldn't be able to come live. So these are some of the challenges we go through here in Africa, especially Ghana and Nigeria. I know of Nigeria. My friends, Nigerians here, will tell you they also go through similar situation. Sometimes they will give them no light for days. And it's very sad that sometimes we go through such situations. But what can we do? We will manage and see what we can do. Aminu Abdullah is asking me whether he can trade with $100. Yes, you can trade with $100. And if you want to trade with the $100, your lot size should be 0.01. And then you will take 2 trades at a time. 0.01, and then you will take 2 trades at a time. That is the lot size you can use. 0.01, and then you will take 2 trades at a time. Yes. So that is that on that one. Okay. One is also asked, please say, I think you should do live video by the time you start the analysis, so that we can learn to fish by ourselves in future. But I have still done the analysis now, and I've left it on the chart for you to see. So you should be able to see it. Or you can join the VIP. Just join the VIP, and you'll get to know these things. Okay? I still left the analysis there for you. I didn't clean it. I left the analysis there for you to see. So that is the learning point for you. You can see the analysis on the chart right now. The blue area here is the support. And the red line I have drawn is the trend line. Gold has been on a buy trend. And so I drew the trend line and then was waiting for the trade to come back to that trend line, especially when there is a support in that area. And it happened. And that was why I took the buy trade, especially when this candle, when the first candle here gave a pullback. When this candle gave a pullback, I decided to go for the buy. So the instructions are still here. I haven't closed it. You can still see the instructions. It's so clean. I haven't closed it. It's still here. Is that okay? So I think you have it now. You know how I came by this trade, or how I took this trade, right? That's fair. That's perfect. So thank you for understanding. Okay, let's see. Now we have 2380 now. Let's see whether we can get our TP. 23.80. Let's see if we can get our TP before the day ends. Okay? We are still going to wait and see. We still have some 20 pips more to go. Let's see if the trade can give us that. If it doesn't give us, that's fair. What we have gotten is also still not bad at all. It's not bad at all. If we get it, fine. If we don't get it too, that's no problem at all. So that is how trading must be. Okay? So we are good to go. We are still watching. We are still monitoring to see what will happen. Are we good? We're watching and monitoring to see what happens. Okay. All right. So more questions, I will answer. If you send more questions, I will answer. Ishmael Hussan, can I enter sell? No, we are not selling. Please. The trade I have taken is still there. You can see it is a buy. I didn't enter a sell. Gaga Forest, post me your contact. Yes, my contact is already posted in the chat. Go through the chat. You will see Leading Forest, my messages. You will see my number. Okay, you see my number. Post me your contact. I think I have already said it. It's in my contact. When you go through the messages, you will see Leading Forest messages. That is, one of them is my contact. Gaga Forest, we share the profits. Anyway, John is saying, I'm in $7 profit now, sir. Those of you who have closed your trade, how much have you made? Tell me, how much profit did you make? Tell me, I want to know. Those of you who closed your trade in profit, tell me how much you made. I'll be glad to know. It motivates me to know you joined and made profit. So tell me how much you made. Jamal, say, please, sir, I have been hearing something like account management service. Please, is it real? And do you have any in future to start doing it too? When your, what, I didn't see the last message. Something is getting large. For account management, I don't intend to do it now because I don't have the time for it. I'm busy trading on my own account. And the little profit I make, I'm content with it. It's better than taking someone's account and then the person will give you the pressure you have never seen in this world. The person will make you look like he is now teaching you how to trade the forex market. Most of the account management thing, I don't want to do it because the pressure that they will give you, the instructions they will give you, it's better you don't even trade for them at all. They should trade on their own. And that is my decision from now onwards. I don't want to do account management for anyone. If I come and I share a trade like this with you and you can't put that trade on your account, then that's your own stuff. I hope you understand me. Yes, if I come and I share a trade like this with you, I expect you to be able to take it on your own account. And that is best. It's better than me taking your account and then a lot of pressure coming in here and there. Hope you understand me. So yes, the account management thing, it is there. I can't say it is good or it is bad. You would have to decide. You will have to decide. So that is that on that one. You will have to decide. So take note. You will have to decide on that one. I cannot decide for you. All right. Jamal is asking, any plan? Okay, now I see Jamal, your full message. He says, please, sir, I have been hearing something like account management service. Please, is it real? And do you have any future? Do you have it in future plans to start doing it too? When your brand is getting large, even when my brand is getting large, that is where I will become more busier. At this point that the brand is getting not even large, I'm busy. At this point, I'm busy. Not to even talk of when the brand gets larger. I will be more busier. Anyway, try and trade on your own, like I am doing with you here. Let's do it like that. It's best, if you ask me. Any plan? Jamal, I've already answered. Okay. The Banel family said he has closed with $20 profit. Have you also closed your trade? Let me know. I have 400 people watching me. So you can also join. Please, my next live stream, I want to get more than 1K people watching me. Because the more you come, it motivates me to be able to do it more. So share my YouTube channel with friends. Let them join. Okay, let them join. Let's learn together. Let's make profit together. Let's make losses together. Yeah. So tell people about Leading Forex. That if they want a channel where we will come live and then we'll share trade setup and you can choose to trade or choose to leave, it is Leading Forex. So tell them to join. Tell them to come so that we can be doing it together. Is that okay? Yeah. That's nice. Lorraine is asking me, are you using MT4 or MT5? This is MT4. This is MT4 I am using. This is MT4. Yes. So I'm using MT4. Is that okay? I'm using MT4. Okay. So that is that. Any other stuff? Let me know. More questions, I'll answer. I'm here. If you ask me any question, I'll answer. Whilst we still monitor the trade together. Okay? 408 people now. We can add more. Let more people join and learn. Although they may not be able to take the trade because the trade has already gone into profit. Now it's coming back. Let's see if it will hit my stop loss. Because my stop loss is at a break even. It's very painful. It's very painful that some of you join late, but it's still not bad. It helps you to see what we do. It's still not bad at all. Lorraine is asking, yes, thank you. Okay, thank you to Lorraine. And then Senex is saying, what time do you start trading? London opening or US opening? I don't have a specific time. Okay, the trade is almost coming back to my break even. The trade is coming back to my break even. Let's see if it will close me out of the market. Let's see. It is possible it may close me out of the market. Let's see what happens. If it doesn't want to go to my TP and want to close me out of the market, that's fine. The broker name, I told you when it comes to the broker name, I don't want to mention any broker name here. Chat me. Please chat me. And if you ask me of a broker, I will tell you. I don't want to do broker promotion here for any broker. Okay, so that is why those of you asking me of broker, I am not mentioning. When you chat me, I will tell you the broker that I am using. And if you want to use it, then you use. Is that okay? I am not paid by any broker to advertise them on my channel. So I cannot advertise any broker here on my channel. Do you get it? So please, if you want to know my recommended brokers, chat me. And I'll tell you what broker it is. I have given my number at the contact area. When you chat me, I will tell you. Okay? That is it. Thank you for understanding. What is your strategy, sir? What you see now is my strategy. This is it. Or you want a name for it. I don't have a name. Maybe call it Leading Forex Strategy. I don't give names to things like this. Honestly, I don't have a name for it. Or is it technical? This is technical analysis. I have done technical analysis. Yes. So that is the strategy, technical analysis. That is the strategy. Maybe that is the name I can give. I did technical analysis and I gave. I looked at the trend. The trend line is the red line, and you can see it. If I try to zoom in, you see the trend line well. You see it. So this is the trend line that I drew, which shows that it's in a buy trend. So since it's in a buy trend, I was waiting for the trade to come back to hit that trend line, and then also in a zone here, which is a buy zone. Okay. Now this trade is behaving something. Let me show you. At this moment, this trade is trying to behave some head shoulder pattern. It's trying to make it look like it is a head shoulder pattern forming. And so maybe we should begin to expect a sell or something. Look, this is a shoulder. Those of you who knows this is also trying to be another shoulder. And this is a head. And this is a head. Do you see that? It is trying to give us some head shoulder pattern, making it look like it has to come sell. But at this moment, we cannot tell because it is still on an uptrend. So it is very dangerous to start selling now because you think that you are seeing head and shoulder pattern. So maybe you have to, the head and shoulder pattern, some people also call it the M formation. You understand? Some people call it the M formation. So it is trying to give us something like some M formation. But it is dangerous to start selling here, thinking that an M formation or head and shoulder pattern has formed until it breaks through this trend line. Once it breaks through this trend line and comes down, when it comes out of this blue zone here, the down blue zone here, when it comes out of this blue zone, at least it should go back and retest the trend line and then fall. Then you can then say that the head and shoulder pattern that has formed is valid. But at this moment, this head and shoulder pattern you are seeing is not yet valid. Maybe the market makers want to manipulate the market. They want to make you think that it is a sell now. And then once you begin to sell, then they take the trade to buy. This is how analysis goes. So you may have to wait. If it is head and shoulder pattern that is forming, you have to wait for the trend line to break. Trend line breaking means that the trade must come below the trend line and close below the trend line. And maybe also come below this blue zone, this support zone. Once it comes below this support zone, then we can say that yes, the head and shoulder pattern that has formed here is now valid for us to continue the sell. But at this moment, it is dangerous for you to just say a head and shoulder pattern has formed, so you are going sell. Does this make sense? Let me know what you think. I think I have explained this. And then somebody, there's no name, but I see F20 is asking me. The answer is, what indicator do you use? I'm sure you haven't seen any indicator on this chart. There's no indicator here on this chart. I am just showing you technical analysis. There's no indicator here. Or have you seen any indicator? What I have drawn there is not any indicator. There's no any indicator here. It is my own drawings. Okay? Aminu Abdullah is asking me, are you a professional trader? I don't want to give myself a title, but I can say that I'm not. I'm not a professional trader yet. I'm not a professional trader yet. When I get my $1 million, I can say that I am a professional trader. But for now, I am not a professional trader. Aminu Abdullah, I'm sure you understand. So currently, I am not yet a professional trader. When I get my $1 million, then I can say officially I am a professional trader. But for now, I am not. Okay? I'm not a professional trader. All right. So the questions are coming, and I'm answering them one by one. So you see that there is a buy going again. So it makes it look like this head and shoulder thing I told you is not going to hold. Are you seeing it? It looks like the head and shoulder thing is not going to hold because the trade is currently reversing back to the buy side. So you see it. So this is what I mean. Trading comes with analysis, and you must wait patiently for things to line up correctly before you jump into the market. When things don't line up and you want to be in haste, you will be caught up by these guys, and they will take your money away because that is what they want. They want to get your money. So it's good for you to wait patiently and see what will happen. Are we good? So that is that. We are still waiting. It looks like this trade, the day is almost going, so it is becoming a bit slow and slow and slow. But okay, Skyper Fresh is asking me that, do you promote fair value gap? Promote. Yeah, fair value gap. Some people trade with it and they are good at it. But I haven't actually looked at it yet. But fair value gap, a lot of people who know how to use it, they use it and they make good money out of it. Is that okay? So fair value gap, I cannot say yes or no because I have seen traders who use it and they are making good profits. But I haven't actually used it that much. So that is the issue. Aminu Abdullah again, you are a professional, just that you don't want to say it. If you make 6 figures trading before you will say it. Aminu, is that what you want to say? You are saying that I am a professional trader, but I just don't want to say it. Okay, that's fine. It's good to give me that title. I receive it. I receive that title, okay? I receive it. GL Media is asking, or is saying, GL Media is saying, oh, okay. Are you not a professional trader? And you are selling calls and selling signals that hit stop losses? Oh, okay. You think professional traders don't hit stop losses? Or you think professional traders don't make losses? Ask them, they will tell you, GL Media. Professional traders, they hit losses. No trader can tell me he hasn't made losses. Ask those professional traders you know. Tell them to give you real answers. Let them be real with you. Okay? Even the banks that deal in forex, they make losses. Have you ever seen a bank or companies going to tender in their tax returns or coming out with their annual yield? They will tell you they have made losses. Most of the banks in the world, maybe your local bank might have done that before. They will publish their report and tell you in the fiscal year 2024, they made losses. A bank which deals in money has made losses. Are you saying those banks are not professionals? You hear of banks collapsing. Banks have collapsed. Are you saying those working in those banks are not professionals? They were hired. People that were working there were professionals, accountants, bank managers. And they hired them and they ended up going bankrupt. So professional traders also make losses. GL Media. Okay? And the fact that I am giving you a signal and I'm giving you a course doesn't mean that I am not a professional or I am a professional. Okay? Goldman FX saying, if you are a professional trader who have never made losses, then that trader is a scammer. You see it there. I won't tell you that I am a trader that doesn't make losses. I make losses. Every trader make losses. Professional traders make losses. The bankers, the accountants, those who are keeping our money or investment companies, they make losses. They post losses. At the end of the fiscal year, they will tell you they have made losses. So it's real. It's a financial world. So me, I won't say that I don't make losses. I make losses. Okay, that is why I'm saying that don't give me that title, whether professional trader or whatsoever. Okay, Hurricane is asking me. Hurricane is asking me, what factors do you consider to set a time frame to enter for a trade? Factors. There's no any specific factor. I just look at the time frame that I will be convenient with, or I'll be conversant with, or a time frame that is easy for me to analyze the market. That is what I use. I use a time frame that is easy for me to analyze the market. So there is no any specific factor. So if you can analyze the market on the 1 hour time frame, use it. If you can analyze a trade on the 4 hour time frame, please do it. If you can analyze a trade on the 5 minute time frame, please do it. Whatever time frame that is convenient for you or is easy to use, please practice it over time and see. Once you begin to see profit coming, then you can begin to use that time frame to trade the forex market and make your money. Is that okay? Now, Jamal is saying, Aminu, he is the most genuine trader so far in Ghana, in my opinion, and a professional as well. Okay, thank you, Jamal. I appreciate. And I'm humbled by your submission. I'm still praying to become more professional. Goldman is saying, this is live game of win and losses. Okay, and that is true. Goldman FX, thank you. I love you guys, our communication. I love our discussion today. I love our discussion. Now, our trade is almost getting to TP. You can see we are getting back to our take profit. Let's go back to the trade. So you see that the head and shoulder thing that was kind of forming, GL Media says, stop bragging. When stop losses are hit many times, you never give any reason. What reason should I give? We have lost. That is the best reason I can give you. We have lost. And if we win, we win. That is the best reason. So I don't understand you when you say that when we make loss, I don't give a reason. I don't know. What reason do you want me to give you? The reason that we lost? The reason we lost is that we lost. GL Media, I'm not bragging, okay? I am not. I am only showing you my trade setup. And the trade that I set can go into profit and it can go into a loss. So that is it. I don't know whether you have any personal problem with me, because it looks like you are attacking me or you are making it look some way. I don't understand. Do you have a problem with me, GL Media? Do you have a problem? Let me know. Let me know if you have any problem with me, then we can solve it here. If not, I am not bragging. I haven't bragged. Those who are here watching me can tell you I have never bragged. I'm only telling you, I am only sharing a trade that I have taken. Okay? And if you take that trade, that's fine. If you don't take it, that is fine. I don't see the bragging here. So GL Media, so sorry. I don't know. I don't know why your blood is boiling. I don't know why. Let me know why your blood is boiling. Okay. All right. GL Media, I think I need to ignore your comments. Maybe you want some attention from me. You may not get that attention, okay? So I will start ignoring your messages. Okay? I will start ignoring your messages. All right? So that is that. If you want some attention from me, I'm not sure it is at this time. Lily Emina saying, are you looking at higher time frame above 5 minutes? For this trade, for instance, this one that I have taken, I didn't go to the higher time frame. I only looked at the trend. And then I saw that the trend was a buy trend. And because of that, I decided to take that trade. So maybe sometimes I may go to higher time frame and check. But this trade, I didn't look at the higher time frame. I only did the analysis on the 5 minute because gold is a very volatile currency. Sorry, a very volatile commodity. Gold is a commodity. It's not a currency. So gold is a commodity. So the Banel family tour says, a friend recommended you to me. And ever since, I have not regretted learning from you. Keep it up. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. You, this guy, you are just hot for nothing. No problem. Let's go on. This one says, keep up the good work. John K said, please, sir, don't let this guy destroy. I'm not mentioning his name. Don't let this guy distract you, sir. Just ignore him. I have just done that. I'm not going to even give him a single attention anymore. Thank you so much, Sir Kofi. You are the best. You are the best mentor ever. Okay, thank you. Gabriel. Gabriel is saying there is no trader that does not lose. Forex is a business of risk. All you need to do is to analyze properly and trust your set, even though it can go against you many times. Gabriel, you are such a good and nice guy. You speak with a lot of sense. You speak with a lot of wisdom. You know this market very well. Thank you, Gabriel. Rodriguez is saying, do you take partial profit on your trades? Yes. If you look at this trade, I have taken partial profit already. I have moved my stop loss into profit. I have moved my stop loss into profit. You see that there's a red line above the green dotted lines. That is my stop loss. So if the trade should come back, it is going to knock me out with no loss. Moreover, I have other accounts that I trade with. So some of the accounts, as I speak, I have closed the trades on some of the accounts. Sorry. So that is it. I have set break even here by moving my stop loss into profit. So that is it. Thank you so much, Sir Kofi. You are the best mentor ever. Zuma is saying that. Thank you. Okay. Kote says, please tell them you are trying to help. And if anyone is not interested, they should go somewhere else. It is not by force to join your group. Thank you very much. Skyfresh or Skyperfresh says, I understand candlesticks are a big major in entry. Yeah, it is part of it. He's asking, do you look at candlestick signs? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And if you have watched some of my videos, I have talked about candlesticks patterns in some of my videos. I look at them very well. I consider what they do. I consider what they do a lot to be able to arrive at certain decisions. In this trade, for instance, I considered it. If you look, let me share with you again, because those who joined earlier, I told them, let me zoom out again like this. See, there was this candle here, which did a pullback. Let me see if I can put something on it for you to see it. You see this candle? You see this very candle here? Should I change the color so that maybe you can see it well? Let me change it to red color. You see, oh no, red will make it look similar, so you may not see it well. Let me change it to another color, maybe yellow. You see where I have marked yellow? That is where, you see that candle? You see that it was a great pullback. If I remove the yellow from there, you see that candle? Or let me put it at the top of that candle. I'm putting the yellow on top of that candle. If you look, you will see that the yellow is on top of a candle. There was a great retracement back to the buy side. So that was the candle, this very candle, the one I'm putting the yellow on. This was the candle that gave me the decision to know that this trade will go by. That was the trade. So I saw this candle, I saw it hit on the trend line and did a pullback. It did a pullback. And then I also saw it that it is in a zone which is a support zone. So because I saw that pullback, I was convinced. I became convinced that this trade will surely go by. And so yes, the candlestick signs, I consider it a lot. I'm sure you understand now. I consider it a lot in my trading. I consider it a lot. So that is how I come by this, or I'm able to come by these trades or analysis. Are we good? I'm sure we now understand. Perfectly right, isn't it? Okay. So what else? Any other question? Let me see if there are some more questions. Roy Royal is asking, are you exciting a head and shoulder pattern? Yes. I'm saying that we may be seeing a head and shoulder pattern. But before we will take that head and shoulder pattern into consideration, unless it breaks below the trend line. When it breaks below the trend line, which is the red line here, once it breaks below it, and it comes to this support zone and breaks below the support zone, it then becomes very convincing for us to go sell. But at this moment, since the head and shoulder pattern is kind of forming but still above the trend line, we may have to wait. We may have to wait. That is the instruction I gave earlier. I'm sure, Royal, you came in a bit late, so 569 people are watching now. That's fine. Thank you. Let's continue. Innocent is asking, this is awesome, bro. Good initiative and borders. Very honest guy. I salute you. Thank you very much. Innocent, I really appreciate your message. I really, really appreciate your message. Thank you, guys. I'm sure most of you have closed your trades. I'm sure most of you have closed your trades in profit, right? Let me know how much you made in case you took the trade from the beginning with me. How much did you make in case you took the trade from the beginning with me? I'll be glad to know. A few people shared yes. Some said they made $20. Some said something from the top of the messages. How much did you also make? In case you took the trade, let me know. How much did you make? Okay. It will really be nice to know. Okay. So we are watching. If this head and shoulder pattern we want to respect, then I'm extending the trend line. It must come and break this trend line. Once it breaks this trend line and then comes into this support area and breaks below the support area, then we can be looking for a sell. So let me put this there to see if you can be able to see it. We will be looking at a sell from here, this area. From this area. Do you see where I have put the small arrow? That is the area we can begin to look at a sell. This area. When the trade closes below this area, then we can begin to look at a sell. But for now, since it is still coming down, let's wait and see. So, if I will go sell, unless the trade comes below here, then I can consider that sell. Then I will say that the head and shoulder pattern that has been formed is valid. Are we good? So that is that. That is that. Okay? So what else can I say? I think I have done a lot of talking today. I've done a lot of talking today. I have my friends Indians in the house. Hello, brother. I'm an Indian. Nice coming. Nice meeting you here. We appreciate your coming. We are very, very grateful. Thank you for coming. We appreciate. We appreciate. Okay. What else? I think we are done. Whatever happens, we are still there waiting to see. But this is what we have made today. This is what we have made today. So I'm sure you have been able to make something for today. Yes, I'm sure you have made some profit for today. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's wait and see if the trade will take us out of the market. Once it takes us out of the market, then we can end this video. Once it takes us out, because it is coming back to my break-even area. Says, I appreciate you, sir. Why? Because your channel taught me the basis of this game. Much love from Cameroon. Thank you. Rodriguez from Cameroon. Thank you. I appreciate. Okay, the trade is about taking me out of the market. Let's see if it will hit my break-even stop loss. Let's all see. if it will hit my break-even stop loss. It's almost there on the red line. It's almost there. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay. If it will leave me out of the market, it's going to close me out of the market with no loss. Yes. So that is how it is. If you look at what is happening now, it is possible that might happen. It's also possible that might not happen. So yes, it's almost about to hit my stop loss to take me out of the market at break even. Okay. This market can be something. It's doing a pullback again. Let's see. We are learning together, so let's see what happens, and then we can end the live video. Okay? Let's see what happens. We are still monitoring to see what will happen. Is that okay? So I think there are no more questions. Are there more questions? Hurricane, how much money do I need to make this business as my full-time job? I cannot be able to tell, honestly. I cannot be able to tell because, yes, now I'm out. The trade has taken me out of the market. Can you see that? It has now taken me out of the market. My account balance was 119. Now you see it is 123. So it has come back to hit me out of the market with no loss. So when we say setting your stop loss at break even, this is what it means. Now you understand it, right? Perfect. So that is that. After hitting the break even stop loss, it is still here. But where it is now, it is no more valid for us to take any trade. It's possible the head and shoulder pattern will break and come down. So we just have to wait. And then if we have any trade to take, we may be looking at a sell from here. We may be looking at a sell from this angle to the downside. So that is that. But like I said earlier, tomorrow we may not be able to do live trading. Tomorrow we may not be able to meet because they will be taking my light tomorrow. There is going to be general light out here at my area here. So since there won't be light, I will not be able to meet you tomorrow. Okay? I won't be able to meet you tomorrow. So we'll meet on Friday on the live session like this. Okay. Rodriguez is saying that he got 25 pips on this trade. That's nice. How much did you also make? How much did you also make? It will be good to know how much you also made. You see that there's a pullback, but we don't have to rush into the trade. You just have to let it do its own thing and give you a proper space or a proper opportunity to enter the market. Is that okay? So that is that. How much did you make? I think I was at 19. Now it's 119. Now it's at 123. So it means I've made how much? I think $4. Yeah, I made $4. Can you break even when the trade is in loss? No, you cannot do break even when the trade is in loss. Okay. Lorraine Bauer says, what lot size do you recommend on a $200 account? I will recommend you use 0.05 maximum, 0.05 maximum, and it should be one trade. 0.05, just one trade. But if you want to split the 0.05 into pieces, you can take 0.01 and enter 5 trades. 0.01, you enter 5 trades, and that will be equal to one 0.05 trade. So if you ask me, if you are going to be trading gold, that would be my suggestion. 0.01, you can enter 5 trades, or you will use 0.05 and enter just one trade. Or you can enter one trade with 0.03 and enter another trade with 0.02. 0.03 and 0.02 will still give you 0.05. Do you get the mathematics? So yes, that will be my recommendation if you ask me. All right. All right. So I think we are done. We are done for the day. I appreciate you guys, your time. Thank you. I'll see you on Friday. Yeah, that's on Friday. Because tomorrow I wouldn't be able to come. But I'll see you on Friday. The rest, if you have anything you want to ask me, I've given you my number. You can chat me, we can talk, whatsoever it is, we can do, all right? Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. I'll end the streaming here, and then we'll meet again another time. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you again another time. God bless all of us.